I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy foods. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength.
This is our 15th discussion about the universal law called I am strength. It is one of 11 universal laws of the guiding principles of peace and unity. In our previous presentations about I am strength, we explained that taking care of your health and your body is the most concrete form of self-love, family building, true culture, and civilization building. In this video series, we continue to examine issues and concepts related to creating a true culture to develop self-love, which those who care about the Black community may examine and consider. I am strength is part of true culture. Again, let's define culture. We must define it because most of us have wrong ideas about culture. We think culture is the music we listen to, or the style of clothing we wear, or our celebrations and holidays, or whether we eat with a fork, knife, and spoon, or with our hands. Those things and activities are not culture. Culture comes from the word cultivate, which is related to the domestication and growth of plants. Culture is like a gardener who grows a young plant by tying it to a stand for support, putting it in a certain location, and watering it. The gardener does that to foster the growth of the plant to become tall and strong, so it does not grow bent and crooked, so it does not become a weed. The gardener does this with labor, care, and study to assure that her plants are the best. Culture is a system to grow and cultivate civilized people. This is done by tying people to universal laws and standards of behavior based on a foundational premise. Do good, do no harm. So a people will grow strong, not bent and crooked. If you care about the children, women, and men of Black communities, you will use labor, care, and study to make sure that they're at their best. This is accomplished by tying yourself, your people, your family, to the universal laws called the guiding principles of peace and unity. I meditate to relax in all situations. I am peace. I bring and keep together the families and communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am unity. I learn how to learn. I am knowledge. I create for myself, my family, and my community. I am power. I obey the laws of my family and community that are in harmony with peace and unity. I am law. I do no harm to my family, other families, or my community. I am protection. I choose the feelings, thoughts, and actions that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am control. I have fun and work with my family and my community. I am cooperation and harmony. I am careful about what I believe. I accept ideas and beliefs that are in harmony with these guiding principles. I am correct ideas and beliefs. With all my heart, I take care of my family, other families, and communities that are living according to the principles of peace and unity. I am devotion. I keep a clean body.
I have clean habits. I eat healthy food. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength.
This is how your ancient ancestors built advanced civilizations that lasted for thousands of years. Many of us admire the forms of our ancient civilizations, great pyramids and temples, universities and libraries, and the monuments, battles and victories, and the wealth created by our ancestors. This is important and good. But what is most important is that you understand that those achievements came from our advanced social organization. Social organization based on universal laws. This is what is important for Black people and communities to understand today. That is what the guiding principles of peace and unity will help you do today and forever. Currently, Black communities are living in varying levels of social chaos, corruption, poor health, and economic stagnation as a result of holding on to conditioned thinking and behaviors established during slavery and colonialism. It is these conditioned thinking and behaviors which have destroyed self-love within us and within our communities. By rebuilding your true culture based on universal laws and moral ethical frameworks represented by the guiding principles of peace and unity, you will revive your self-love, bring order, purification, health, and progress to Black communities. With the guiding principles of peace and unity as a foundation, culture will, 1, prepare you for life. 2, foster your growth. 3, improve you as a person and a community. 4, help you solve problems. You can always download a copy of all the guiding principles of peace and unity and their violations at our website, thegppu.org. Now, back to the universal law, I am strength. I am strength says that what you put into your body and what you do with your body affects your thoughts, emotions, and they in turn affect your actions, which create the quality of your life and your future. Taking care of your body and its health is the most concrete form of self-love. That is what I Am Strength asks you to do. So we must do all we can and all possible to take care of our bodies and be responsible for our bodies and our health. We cannot depend only on doctors to take care of us. To assist you in understanding what you must do to live I Am Strength, we have created a document called the Health Pyramid. Along with our videos, it will show you what behaviors health science says will care for your health. You can download the Health Pyramid at our website, thegppu.org, in the Resources section. The Health Pyramid illustrates the materials, behaviors, and resources that are most important for taking care of your health. The most important things that you need to do are at the bottom of the Health Pyramid. As you go higher on the Health Pyramid, you have materials, behaviors, and resources that, although they are important, have less long-term effectiveness in naturally maintaining good health. Foods and nutrients are the foundation at the bottom of the health pyramid because they are most important for your health. Food is medicine, and food is also a poison. When I say food and nutrients, I mean the air you breathe, the water you drink, the kind of food you eat, and the thoughts, ideas, and images you replay in your mind day after day. Yes, thoughts, ideas, and images affect your health almost as much as nutrients from your food and put into your mouth. Yes, thoughts, ideas, and images affect your health almost as much as nutrients from the food that you put into your mouth. Above that, on the health pyramid, is lifestyle. How are you breathing every day? Yes, how you breathe is important to your overall health. Do you exercise and move every day? Are you avoiding the abuse of destructive materials? Are you spending your precious time with people and things that uplift you? Next, on the health pyramid, right above, are natural medicines. That includes herbs, homeopathic medicines, Bach flower remedies, acupuncture, Ayurveda, naturopathy, Chinese or Oriental medicine. Next is allopathic medicine and therapies that you are familiar with. That includes drugs, vaccines, radiation, surgery, and physical therapy. Last, at the top of the pyramid, is trauma medicine. That's what you see in the emergency room situations for wounds, broken bones, and severe life-threatening disease states. When you fail to regulate and maintain your health and wellness using materials and activities and approaches on the lower part of the health pyramid, you are forced to utilize the materials and activities and approaches towards the top of the health pyramid. What I am advocating here is that you take control of your own health and wellness as much as you can. In consultation with your doctors, of course, and realize that medical care and health and wellness are very different things. They're not quite the same. Please be aware that we are not doctors. We don't provide medical advice. We are teachers. The information you see here and on our website and in our videos is research-based and strictly for educational purposes. Please do your own research and consult your own doctor before implementing or using anything you see here on our website, in our videos, or in our materials. A good way to start is by creating a true culture of self-love, by paying attention to how you care for your body. When you eat and drink something, focus on how your body responds to it. Do you feel more energy, mental clarity, relaxation? Is it real food? Or do you feel random aches and pains, burning sensations, lack of mental focus or brain fog after you eat? Do you feel tired? Do you fall asleep when you're not supposed to? Are you unable to sleep? Are there any other destructive effects like being habit forming? Your body will show you if what you're putting into your mouth is good or bad for you. Watch the following short video. It's about vitamin B6 deficiency in Black communities. It will show you yet another step to create a true culture of self-love based upon the universal law called I Am Strength. You can always watch our previous I Am Strength videos at the Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity Facebook group, Facebook page, or YouTube channel. Remember, when you uplift a black child or a black person, you defeat the enemies of black people. Do good, do no harm.
This is an educational website providing information for educational purposes only. If you have a medical condition, please see your licensed medical practitioner. If you see a licensed medical or health practitioner on this website, at your own risk, you may use that person's services and seek that person's advice. The I Am Strength Path to Healing. The 3 stages of nutrient deficiency. Stage 3, physical disease, for vitamin B5. When your body is not getting the nutrients it needs, a vitamin mineral deficiency occurs. Often that deficiency is called disease. The deficiency state happens in 3 stages. First, emotional disease. Second, mental disease. Finally, physical disease. Vitamin B5 is called pantothenic acid. It is a coenzyme that uses proteins, carbohydrates, and fats to create chemicals and energy. That means it works with other vitamins to help your body make body chemicals like acetylcholine, epinephrine, serotonin, and hormones like cortisol. It also helps the body use oxygen efficiently. Vitamin B5 deficiency causes an overactive stress response. That stress response causes restlessness, an inability to get to sleep, and insomnia. This results in fatigue, irritability, and apathy. Deficiency also causes numb feet and hands, and muscle cramps from the buildup of lactic acid. B5 deficiency is caused by drinking too much alcohol or intestinal problems that prevent the absorption or conversion of B5 into pantethine. You can get B5 from mushrooms, liver, eggs, cauliflower, avocado. You can also use nutritional yeast. A spoonful daily should help. You can take a B5 supplement. Now, B5 supplements come in 2 forms. The first is pantothenic acid, but you may have a problem converting pantothenic acid into a form that your body can use, which is called pantethine. In that case, you can take pantethine directly, which is already converted. Do not take B5 or any B vitamin by itself. First, take B complex, which is all the B vitamins, then use the B5 supplements.